Alright, this is the IR transmitter. So this is just a Bluetooth controlled IR light. You can see the clear light. And there's a detector circuit that I just built that's connected to an oscilloscope. And I can use this program that I wrote on the phone to turn on and off the let's see. Have to reconnect. Okay. So it's not working right now. Actually, it is. You can't see it that good on the phone because it's IR, but there's the detector and there's the IR. And if you look on the oscilloscope, you can turn it on and off just by turning on and off the IR lamp. You can amplify it using the amplification circuit, and that's all I'm going to show you now.